welcome to Healthy Home Cooking. Today we are going to learn to make chili with pasta. Okay, to put the chili together, you're going to put into the pan 1 can of kidney beans that have been rinsed and drained, 1 cup of diced onion, or 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 bell pepper that's been diced, 1 large carrot that's been diced, 1 can, 15 ounces of chopped tomatoes. If you like it a little spicier, you can use the chopped tomatoes with jalapenos, 2 cups of frozen corn, 1 teaspoon of salt, and about 4 cloves of garlic that has been minced. And just put the rest through this press. Whoever invented the garlic press had an amazing idea. Scrape it off, bring it to temperature, to the boil, and then we're going to leave it go for about 15 minutes. While that is cooking, we're going to get the water boiling for some pasta that we're going to serve the chili over. I'm going to cook up 8 ounces of a whole wheat elbow noodle. When the chili's done, drain your noodles and add them to the chili. Give them a mix, and then everything's ready to enjoy. Thank you for joining me today to learn to make chili with pasta. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell. There you have it. Enjoy.